for sale 1972 Mercedes-Benz. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 72 Mercedes-Benz 280 SE Sedan, finished in beautiful factory colors. V8, fuel injected, automatic, power steering, power front disc brakes, power windows, AC, and some nice original paperwork. As always, I'm going to go around and point out anything I do see, tell everything I do know about it, fire it up, drive it, and get in for the driving. So of course we'll start her in the front, as always. And my dad loves these cars. He continues to buy them. I do think they're pretty neat. I think they're really nice when they're well done. The paint on this, super nice quality, really nice condition. The interior, it's I would say it's black. Yeah, it's definitely black. Black with the gray carpet. It's got the floor shifter with the power window switches there. Versus the column shift. 72 being the last year. I might as well pop the hood now. That light works. 72 being the last year that they were hand built, and like every one we've had, the way these doors just open and close. Let's just focus on the chrome real quick, which I would actually say the chrome and the rubber look great. You can see a little bit of like a haze on top, but no pitting, no dents, no dings. Rubber looks just as nice on this side as well as the chrome. Beautiful quality paint. I mean, smooth, shiny. The fitment of the panels look great. You can see it lines up really nice to the hood there. See a little wear on that line, but nice in here. That lines up well. No cracked glass. The chrome on the grille actually looks great too. Paint is really nice in here. Now, kind of common, some little zits around this light, which I've had on a car before. Some little chips on that edge there that you see. Yeah, well, let me go to the hood first, because then we'll fire it up. Put your original tag in place. Let me just double check something real quick. Yeah, I just wanted to reconfirm. 4.5 liter M117 fuel injected motor. I didn't want to say the wrong thing. But it's nice, it's clean in here. Battery's a year old, almost exactly a year old, so it's pretty recent. Firewall clean, unmolested. See the brake booster, master cylinder over there, power steering over there. The AC does not work. The belt is off, so didn't really dig into why. But nice, let me fire it up here. Under hood clean. I love the way this looks, really. Big fan of the steering wheel. What I was going to talk about was how nice the paint is in here. Oftentimes it's older. I have a receipt in the trunk for last year, a service of $5,000. And we'll go over that when I get to the paperwork. Key buzzer works. But according to my dad, and I would say myself from driving it, Definitely the nicest running, driving 280 SE that we've had. And it's not like the other ones were worse, they just keep getting better. But the body is super straight, the paint is shiny, the finish is nice. I think those are the incorrect wheels, but they still look great on the car. Lines up nice, you can see a couple little chips there, little blemish there, little there, a couple on this door edge down here, another little guy right there. A lot of this stainless is in nice shape. Little marking on it, probably original. I would assume hard to replace. Body lines meet perfectly on the doors here. And again, no cracked glass. A couple little blemishes here. But the paint to the seal is nice, you could tell. Was painted, then the seal was put in, then the windshield. There's no overspray. Nice in the drip rail. Top of the car is really nice. Hop in here. The metal, for what you can see, is mint. Nice paint in here. Weather stripping's in good shape. I'm impressed again with the interior all the way around. I mean, the material is nice. The armrest, the trim around, your little pocket here. The rubber is in good shape in here. Clean. So I think this is probably original paint in here. Tag. It has the Mercedes specific seat belts, which I don't think the other ones have had. But the seat's in great shape. I mean, a little chip there, but you know, no rips, no tears on this one. The seams are all intact. Carpet's super clean, which again, a lot of times I see it old looking. Probably the original wheel, if I had to guess. You know, a couple little cracks. It's gonna happen. See some little chips on that wood. Headliner fits nicely up there. Probably original, maybe even original visors. Because that just looks original to me. See a little material coming down right there, but very small. Probably just, actually, ooh, there's a wasp. No, I don't want to close it in the car. Get out of here. Come back to that. Anyway, what I was saying was, I feel like this little guy coming out could be tucked up and pumped back into the rubber seal. But anyway, again, door panel here just as nice as the front. Got your power window switch in the door. Seats in great shape, no rips, no tears. This guy comes up and it goes right back in the way it should. However you're supposed to do that. There we go. Carpet's nice, carpet's clean. Seat back's great. Couple speakers put in a package tray back there. Nicely done. Is that be out of here yet? I don't know. No bubbling down there, which is nice to see. Little scuff right there. Two little marks here. Lines up perfectly though. Same here. But little mark on that edge. Chrome bumper. I would say just about the same as the front. Nice, clean, original. Under the trunk is the way it should be, you know, finished black. Spare in there. That's in there. Nice here, it's got the tag. Some chipped paint in there. I mean, that's not a big deal, it's on the Jam. But the weather stripping's nice. You can see the drain hole is in place. This kind of cardboard sagging a bit. I mean, it's not a big deal. Manual, another booklet. That, another booklet. More booklets. One more plate. An extra belt. A receipt for the battery from Costco. And then the German Auto House had it. Tires, battery, car and something, plug wire, spark plugs, water tank, brake pads, brake something, new trunk mat. I mean, that's not a big deal. So it's nice to have. Yeah, I got floor mats as well that go in it. I took out to show the carpet. Keep going. Again, no bubbling. Little minor nick right there. Actually, it's coming off. Something real small that'll come off. Again, I always pay attention to the fitment on these cars. Door panel's great again. The only thing is they put this like patch over a rip in the seat with a glue. It keeps, you know, heating up and coming undone. That's the only thing in the interior I'm not, you know, too thrilled about, to be honest with you. I'd rather just show the hole because it's original. Okay, there we go. It just fell off. It's a little hole right there. Again, I'd rather just show it the way it is than hide it. But again, you know, each their own. You can see a couple little marks on these door edges. I would even say that the paint is a lot nicer. Little mark there. Oh, nope, that came off. Paint's a lot nicer than the other ones as well. See nice original metal in here. Again, door panel's great. Dash gauges, the wood grain, nice carpet in the front. Love the floor shifter. But again, it will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to go ahead and check it out. 72 Mercedes 280 SE. Finished in factory colors. You can see some little blemishes on the bottom in this corner here. .5 liter, fuel injected, automatic with the floor shifter, power steering, power front disc brakes, power windows, factory AC. And as always, we're going to fire it up now, drive it, and get it in driving. Thank you. You can go.
Morning.
Morning.
It's nice to come across a 72 280 4.5, which is the V8 version. Especially one that runs and drives so nice as this. Southern car all its life. Smooth. I think I've owned 3 personally, and then we had a couple through the dealer. This is by farthest the best driving of them all. Tightest, no noise, fuel injection helps.
I just wanted the windows down because it's hot here.
Hold the road, right? Mechanic went through it before we got the car. So it's about 5,000 on service, and then our mechanic got the car. Couple lights going.
Oh yeah. No, we'll just keep going and then we'll just stop it at some point, yeah. We're not going our normal route.
Holds the road.
You said that already.
Straight as an arrow. Pardon?
I said you said that already.
Oh, because I can't get over it.
I've driven the other ones. The other ones are good. This is great.
Yeah. I'm gonna take this to Naples.
You could do that too.
Speedometer, all the gauges, oil, temp, fuel. Not sure about the clock, and I don't think the radio does not work. Can't do
That's funny. Yeah, we'll see about that.
I noticed sometimes the turn signal.
It doesn't want to hold.
Yeah, it holds. Not all the time, but sometimes.
Even the reverse lights worked.
Yeah.
All right, I think that's good enough. Yeah.